Hi, Joel. We're here today to talk about the supercell plate and creating love and compassion in your life. And so, in doing that, we're going to get rid of all sorts of energies in us that take us away from that. So, why don't you talk to us about how we can create more love and compassion in our life?
Candace, sounds like a huge job. I believe the supercell can handle it. Now, the supercell basically is aligning the higher energy, your higher self energy, with the cells in your body. It's doing that in a very gentle way. And when you interact with the plate, like so, the meridians in your body are flowing into the supercell. They're being gently processed with the geometric copper forms that are layered throughout. And then the energy returns to your body.
So it's like a circuit. You're creating a circuit.
It is very much like a circuit. And it is, if you want to think of it that way, it's not a digital circuit, it's an analog circuit that works with your bioelectricity in your body, also known as chi or prana. Okay. So, what does that have to do with love and compassion? We're going to do a technique that will answer that. Tune into your heart. Don't get stuck on what it's supposed to be. Feel what it actually feels like. It might be slightly tight, it might be slightly open, it might be whatever it is. Imagine that the energy there in your heart flows through your arms, circulated through the plate, and then let it gently flow back. So just tune into that. And then feel into your heart again. If there's anything that's a little stuck or a little tight, let it flow through. Let it move through the hands into the plate, circulate there.
It's kind of like
and
filter.
Then come back.
It's like filtering.
It is very much a filter. That is so true. Now, when people think about love and compassion, they often think of words they can say, such as, I love this, or I that. That has some value. We're working at a much more primal, primitive level of basic energy. We're looking at this almost animal-like energy that's here, and we're smoothing it out so that your body starts to have the feeling that your heart is in a smoother, more harmonious state.
So it's
a really basic way.
Words.
It's a basic feeling. And it's more instinctive. It's a lower basic level than what I think or what I believe or the story that I tell myself about something. And it's a really special way to address something where you're up in your head saying, I have this attitude and that person did that and such happened and here are all my attitudes and here's my story. So this cuts through the story to, oh, you're kind of tight. Let's smooth it out.
What's interesting about that is if you look at what you said, the words are coming from somewhere, right?
Yeah.
And so if your heart is blocked, it's pushing everything up into the mental space.
So true.
Where you're analyzing everything as opposed to having a heart-centered feeling.
Right. And you might not even know what the heart-centered feeling is, especially if in your mind you've told yourself, hearts are supposed to be loving, and I'm supposed to be loving, and I'm a good person, and I want to be spiritual. So, which is all a bunch of...
That's all analytical. That's all analytical. The process of analyzing all of the shoulds and have-tos and ought-tos that have come from everyone outside of you.
Yeah. So, telling yourself, I've got to be loving, even though I don't feel that way. And so, when you tune into what you do feel...
I want to be a loving person.
No doubt. What's underneath all that is what is. The what is. And so, when that energy flows through and smooths out, it will make it easier on your brain, and it will make it easier to have genuine compassion and genuine empathy instead of a story. It's all the same
We're becoming
whether
an emotion and feeling.
yes, much deeper level, emotion and feeling. And at that deeper level, when things smooth out, then you realize, wow, when I was trying to be loving, that wasn't really working. This is so weird that there's no difference between saying, I hate that person and I should love that person.
So you're really talking here. It's about anger, right?
Yes.
But it's
Yes.
still just an energy. And,
it's just energy. And at the fundamental level, the energy can become smoother.
Right. And so you're really just taking that energy, and instead of making it so dense, you're opening it up.
Yes. And I just have to mention, you could take the plate and pulse your heart.
Like this?
Pulse your heart with the plate. It's another way to do the same thing. In some cases, this will work better. In some cases, the other technique will work better.
For me, it's like this. Everybody's unique, so whatever works.
Yeah.
To me, I just feel like when I do this, it's like I'm going through it and I'm opening it up.
Mm-hmm.
That's what it feels like to me. So it's getting more expansive. So if there's room inside there to have the expression of those feelings and them not be so blocked. Because when they get blocked, that's when it becomes explosive.
I think so.
Yeah, so it's about that opening and making room for whatever feelings and emotions you are having.
Right. This will help them become smoother. It's an important distinction. This is not simply, feel your feelings. This is smooth out the energy of those feelings. Because the power is not inside the disc. The disc creates a field that is harmonious. And when that field is interacting with your heart space, it's literally working inside your body at an energy level.
I see.
So it's simple but profound.
Wow.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for all of that, Joel. This is really
Thank you, Candace.
For more Powerforms training, information, and to join our Powerforms community, go to powerformshealing.com.